Sa ibang balita naman, police recently busted a global fraud ring involving credit cards, debit cards, and identity theft. Isang kababayan natin kabilang sa mga biktima. Ann Wong reports from Toronto.
A trip to the gas station will never be the same for Philbert Wong. It was a similar trip last year when a denied transaction on his debit card led to the discovery of fraud. Something Wong found out when he reported the incident to his bank.
Marami silang tanong, hindi nila ako dinirekta. Then, nung na-verify na nila lahat ng information, saka nila ni-reveal sa akin na merong unusual activity daw sa debit card ko all the way from Montreal. Nagkaroon ng debit transaction sa Montreal, whereas 5 minutes ago, meron silang track record ko na nasa Toronto.
Wong lost a total of $600 from debit transactions not his own. The money was later on returned by the bank after the investigation. He remembers the incident to this day, especially after Canadian police busted an international fraud ring in Montreal. Police say 22,000 people have been ripped off since 2008, and nearly $8 million stolen by 3 Montreal-based criminal organizations all working together. They allegedly produced counterfeit debit and credit cards by stealing banking information from point-of-sale terminals.
With the Bluetooth technology that's inside it, that they placed inside of it, they are able to download the data from a distance from outside the business with a laptop.
Banking officials say the magnetic strip on cards makes them vulnerable, but it can't be completely replaced by chips until that's done south of the border.
The United States soon, hopefully, will get rid of this magnetic band, and they will use the chip. Only the chip then will be much, much safer.
Investigators say the crime ring extended well beyond North America, with accomplices in Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, Tunisia, and the United Kingdom. Charges have been filed. It's good news for victims like Wong, who've also learned a lesson or two on banking safety.
Advice ko lang para sa lahat is wag nyo ibibigay i-share yung PIN number nyo kasi hindi natin masabi maski gaano pa kalapit yan kung kamag-anak mo or asawa mo, baka isulat nila na may makakita.
Ann Wong, ABS-CBN News, Toronto.